All right, now that is it for the news that is making the headlines and from our news desk tonight. However, before we take a very short breather, I want to encourage you to grab a copy of the bold newspaper tomorrow, The Standard. This is why. This is the front page of the Standard newspaper tomorrow. The main headline is Fraudsters. And to give you just but a bit and a glimpse, it's a fight against graft after 5 years of illegal defense in a case. Former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu, his wife and 3 others were charged with getting money from 588 million shillings tender. They have been found guilty. Going by the precedents, they will spend a long time in jail or pay fines so hefty they'll regret getting into the arrangement. That is covered on page 4. But also remember, it is a season of love, and a quick back to more of that on the national page 33 or 13 rather. We also have working class but living on side hustles on the national page 9. Phone ban pushes many to play areas on the world page 34. And in sports, Madrid leave Guardiola on a tightrope. But don't forget what has been happening in the National Assembly. We also have that covered tomorrow. We'll send you home. Azimio tell the Speaker Moses Wetangula. That is covered rather on page 2 of tomorrow's paper. Grab a copy for yourself. Also, we have what is expected on the AUC race. This is what awaits you. Faki tells AU winner. So do grab a copy for yourself. It is very, very affordable, really, if I have to sell it. But don't miss essentially on the information, because here is where we are bold enough to give you the facts, and the facts will inspire the fun. Let's take a short breather, but still to come is the conversation of the hour. And already in studio with me is Nelson Havi, Wakili Mwenyewe, the advocate of the High Court of Kenya, also the 49th president of the Law Society of Kenya, LSK. Tonight, we interrogate the minority-majority puzzle. What are the potential legal and political ramifications, if there are any? Remember, Nelson Harvey said, court orders are not suggestions. Don't miss. We'll be right back.